If some things are going on in Nigeria, that is where I will always discover how many people who can reason critically. You see, there is something that is trending since yesterday regarding the Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) freezing the account, the statutory account of the Osun State government, just few days before the date of election comes 15th August this year, that is this month. Now, many people are condemning EFCC because of the timing, right? I joined the people that said what these people are doing is a plan work. We condemn it. That is not the problem. Now, Osun State went to court because what the FCC did is unacceptable. So, court supposed to give another order to vacate whatever AFCC has done. That is the process, right? Now, Tinubu gave an order mandating EFCC to stop freezing and unfreeze the account. That whatever they have done, like stop it, unfreeze the account for him. It's an embarrassment to me. When I saw the news, I laughed. You know why I'm laughing? Nigerians, we all living in this country here. You may say, God forbid, I'm not part of it. You're under cage. You are under cage as far as you are in this territory. You are under cage, and I will tell you why. EFCC is not like Attorney General of the Federation. Oh. Maybe you have a criminal case. Tinubu have right to pardon you or discontinue the case. No, EFCC is not like that. Oh. EFCC can equally probe president and judge him and sentence him. When he comes down from office, he go to prison. EFCC is not part of the executive. Oh. EFCC is an independent agent like INEC. EFCC is like independent agent like INEC. So if Tinubu could call EFCC, after calling EFCC, he called Adeleke. I saw what Davido wrote, that he was there, that it was like a history when Tinubu called his uncle and told his uncle that he has directed EFCC to unfreeze the account. For so many people, what Tinubu did is right. I laugh. See, that shows that Tinubu can equally call EFCC to unfreeze every state governor's account. And he will do that. And that order, that power, Tinubu don't have it. No constitution gave him that power to do that. It is only the court of law that's supposed to do it, which is a different branch of government. But in Nigeria, they are all in one bed. I'm telling you this because if things are happening, I don't see people who reason critically to even know that this is evil. And I'm telling you this, if you like, take it to bank. Tinubu will still mandate the INEC chairman to cancel any vote he wants to cancel, to declare any result he wants to declare. This shows how Tinubu is controlling everything. He woke up one day, he carried microphone, they wrote some paper for him. He just sacked a governor of Rivers State, unconstitutional something. Heaven did not fall in Nigeria. Everybody condemn. Everybody kept quiet. You understand? What Tinubu carried out is unlawful something, unconstitutional something. It is not compatible with existing law. Well, both the FCC side who first freeze the account, they are all evil. They are all evil, including that redeemed pastor who is EFCC chairman. That redeemed pastor. Next week now, he will go to convention. Will he swear that it's not some folks who influence him to freeze that account? Will he vow that it's not cabal that asks him to freeze that account? Can he swear? He knows what they are doing that is not right. The federal government have so many money unaccounted for. Tinubu administration, they have stolen up to 3 trillion naira. More than 3 trillion self. The evidence is that even NMPC could not account for up to 14 trillion. EFCC could not freeze the account. You understand? They could not freeze the account. But they are doing whatever they are doing. I'm just laughing at people who do not understand what is going. Tinubu just shows you that he can control every independent agent. He can even control judiciary. For him to be able to direct call EFCC to unfreeze account, meaning he can equally asked both INEC, whoever he want to control, to do something. Now, under Obasanjo was not in good term with Tinubu as the governor of Lagos State. We followed the trend then. What happened? So many local government allocations, state allocations were withheld. Like Obasanjo did not pay it until Tinubu left because of those beef. Let me tell you, if it is now, Tinubu will not withhold the money. He will sack you. He will suspend you and put a military man in your state there. That is what he's going to do. And with the body language of the nation, heaven will not fall because everybody is afraid to die. Everybody is afraid to die. So that is the situation. I said, I don't know whether people actually observe what I am observing. I'm a good observer of so many things that are going on in Nigeria. So many lawyers are clapping for Tinubu, that Tinubu did the right thing. I was just laughing at them, lawyers. EFCC carried out a very evil agenda by doing that. Yes, we know. I'm not saying what EFCC did was right, but I'm saying that, you see, another evil to cover another evil, that is what they have done. And I'm telling you, anybody who has power to be giving you food and has the power to be, like, you are depending on the person on anything, the person still have the power to stop your food and you will die. So don't clap, because the next order he will give in the future, don't cry, you. When INEC, when the election server, they will switch it off. Don't cry, you, because this order that came is an illegal order. Tinubu don't have that right to command the EFCC to do that. EFCC is an independent agency that can even arrest Tinubu after he came down from office when he lost his immunity. So EFCC is not under Tinubu, but now he's ordering them to do something. Anyway, it is what it is. Okay, be a good observer. Things are getting worse. So many things you just look at, you say these things are good. They are not good. They are not good. Anyway, it is what it is.
We're on here for one reason. It's for the executive governor of Washington State, the only chief security officer of Washington State, one of the best, if not the best governor to ever have ruled this state. We have our projects to show for it. We have our integrity to show for it. And we have our diligence to show for it. But I did feel it was very important for us as the youth campaign mobilization team, to assure our people, our own demographic, which is the youths, of our views on the forthcoming election. I speak to you today not just as Davido, but as one of your own, as a voice for our people. I understand the tension and emotion surrounding this election, but I urge everyone to remain calm. Very important. We've been calm for how long? We might as well stay on this, our train. It has never affected anything. Don't forget, we've won this thing twice before. No shaking. We won it twice before, and we're going to win it again for the third time, by the grace of God. Let us reject violence. I'll say it again. Let us reject violence, intimidation, provocation, and most importantly, destruction. To every person in Osun, come out and exercise your right to vote. Do not be afraid or intimidated. Your vote is your voice, and your choice must be respected. I'll say it again. Your choice must be respected. There's no two ways about it. Let us show the world that Osun people are not only peaceful, courageous, determined to build a better future for the state. And to our daddy, from Imo State. I say this with respect, sir. I have heard rumors suggesting that there are moves to interfere in the Osun State election, or use the state as a political battleground to prove a point. I do not present these claims as facts, but I appeal to you, sir, to use your influence to promote peace and allow the people of Osun choose their candidates freely. We have mutual connections, and I have a deep connection to Imo State. My wife, Chioma, is from the state, which make this appeal more sincere. Please, let Osun remain peaceful. We say it again, please, let Osun remain peaceful. One more time, let Osun remain peaceful. Thank you. Let's allow democracy take its course and let the people decide. Whatever the outcome is, please do not allow political ambition to put the lives and future of Osun people at risk. I appeal to you, your supporters, and the entire political party structure. Let the people come out freely, peacefully to vote for the candidate of their choice. If they choose you, let the victory be through their votes. If they choose someone else, let their decision be respected. Politics is temporary, but Osun will be here forever. No political victory is worth violence, destruction, or the loss of a single life. A single life. To everyone in Osun, please come out, vote peacefully, reject intimidation, and let your voice be heard. Osun is ours, the future is ours, and let peace lead the way. 4+4, you want again?